it's your travel agent David, and we're in Dublin. If you haven't watched my other video, the theme of the day is, well, whiskey. So we're going to check out Roe Co Distillery next. Cool thing about Roe Co, just so you know, hey look, I'm a poet. Now I know it. Anyway, right across the street, that's Guinness. So Guinness is on 55 acres right over there. And the family house just down the street, they had 21 kids. Can you believe that? 21 kids. That's a lot of practice to try and make it perfect. Well, if you find something here you like, you can actually get it personalized. Well, it's sold out right now, but you can get access to this type of keg and put it in a flask. That's pretty cool. You can pick your bottle, and fill your bottle, and I don't know if it's included, but the flask is €12. That'd be pretty cool if you could fill it for 12. Well, that completes our time at Roe Co. They do have a barn there. We didn't go into it because somebody's not thirsty right now because she had 3 shots of whiskey at the last place. So it's probably a good thing for her too. I don't feel like dragging her around town. If I come up missing, suspect number 1.